Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Blocking TikTok on an iPhone can be achieved by using the built-in screen time feature. Here is a step-by-step guide to blocking TikTok on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open and launch the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on screen time. Select the app limit and tap on add limit. Then choose social networking category. Find the TikTok app and click on it. Then tap next on the top right corner of the screen. Setting the time limit to 0 hours and 1 minute per day effectively block access to the app. Select that and add. To prevent access to TikTok through a web browser, go to Content and Restrictions under Content and Privacy Restrictions, then Web Content, and add www.tiktok.com under Never Allow. By following these steps, TikTok will be blocked on your iPhone, either through the app or through a web browser. And that's it guys, you've successfully blocked TikTok on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this tip helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.